Happy morning, children. Welcome to Fancy Artist. Hope you would have watched my previous video. And today we are going to see a new topic. Before that, let's do the brain gym. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So in this video, we are going to see about the states of matter, children. So from our lower class itself, we are learning what are the different states of matter. Yes. So now we will see about the different types of matter. Okay, what are they? So basically, if you take the types of matter, means they are nothing but the solids and then liquids and then gas. Okay, so if you take the solid state of a matter, anything you can take either a chalk piece, you can take a brick. Okay, any natural material which are in the solid state, if you take, no, look at this picture, it is showing the solid state of a matter. Here the atoms are arranged very close to each other. Are able to see the atoms are very close to each other, so this is the solid state of matter. Okay, and then if you take the liquid state, so here the atoms which are very little bit far apart from each other, they are not very closely packed, they are little bit far apart. Okay, that is the liquid state. Okay, so they will be moving here and there in the liquid state, the atoms, no, which are present, the particles in the liquid state, they will be moving around. Okay, whereas the solid state, if you see, they will be very compact. Okay, can you give some examples for liquid state? Yes, in water, how the molecules or atoms are. So the water is nothing but it is made up of two atoms. What are they, children? They are nothing but the hydrogen and oxygen. So a water molecule is nothing but the composition of two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. That is the chemical formula of water, isn't it? So here, if you look at this water in its liquid state, it will be, the atoms will be moving here and there. Now I'm going to show the solid state of water. This is the solid state of water, children. So here the all the H2O molecules are closely packed. Yes, they are not move, they are moving little vibrating, but they will be freely moving in the liquid state. Now what about the gaseous state of water, children? This is the gaseous state of water, that is the water when it in the gaseous form. What is the gaseous form of water? It is nothing but the steam. Yes, now I am going to take the solid state of water and I am going to apply the heat and I am going to see the what is the change in the temperature. Look at the thermometer also kept over there. Now let me apply the heat. What happens? Now look at the temperature of the water. It is rising, no, in the solid state. Yeah, and the molecules, they are moving, but they are not moving far apart as in the state of the liquid. Now I am going to select the liquid state. So now shall we apply the heat again? Now apply the heat. What happens? The molecules are vibrating more faster when compared to the solid state, isn't it? Now look at the temperature also is rising, no? The thermometer showing the temperature rising. Yeah, isn't it? So this is the liquid state of the water when you apply the heat. Your mom will be heating the hot, that is she'll be preparing the hot water, no? There the molecules or the atoms will be moving like this only. Okay, even in the cooking process also, where the cooking is taking place, the boiling process or the cooking process, the molecules will be moving here and there, the atoms will be moving here and there in the water. Okay, now let me take the gaseous state of the water. Now I am going to apply the heat again. Now look at this, what happens to the water atoms and the molecules, they are moving far away from each other. Yeah, so look at the temperature also rising more vigorously and the molecules also moving more vigorously when compared to the solid and the liquid state, isn't it, children? This is about the water in its solid, liquid and the gaseous. Now let me take the oxygen. Look at the oxygen. I'm going to take the oxygen in the solid state. Now in the solid state, as I said you, the atoms are very close to each other. Now I'm going to apply the heat. What happens? The molecules Slowly it will move little bit away from each other. Yeah. Now, shall we select the liquid state of the oxygen? Applying the heat, what happens? The molecules are moving a little apart from each other. Yeah. Is there any change in the temperature? Yes, the temperature is slowly rising. Yeah. Now, I'm going to take the liquid, that is gaseous form now. Now, look at this. What happens? The gaseous form of the oxygen, the molecules or the atoms, they are moving very far away from each other. Like this only, the atoms in different states will show different variations. In the solid state it will be packed together, in the liquid state it will be moving a little, vibration will be there, whereas in the gaseous form they will be moving far away from each other. They will collide when the other atoms will come and hit them. Okay, like this only all the matter around us will be having three states. What are they? Solids, liquids, and the gaseous form. Hope you understood the different states of matter, children. Thank you. We'll see in the next class. Until then, share and subscribe my channel, like and comment. Okay, children. Thank you.